Hi everyone, my name is Nathaniel, and this video is part of the Trimble SiteVision Pro tutorial series. In this video, we will cover how to assemble the HPS2 handle hardware to get you ready for SiteVision. Let's first begin by covering what you will find in your HPS2 kit. In your kit, you will be able to find your Catalyst DA2 handle hardware, your 2 batteries for your HPS2 handle, your pole mount attachment, your charging cable, the charger, the magnet plate, your shoulder strap for your case, and the safety strap for your HPS2 handle. Now that you understand what is found in your HPS2 kit, let's talk about how to charge the batteries. To charge the batteries, it is quite straightforward. You will take your battery, ensure that the positive is facing upward. You will slide the mechanism. From here, you'll be able to pop your battery inside. You'll do the same with the second battery too. You'll slide the mechanism downward. And from here, you'll want to make sure that they are properly seated. Once your batteries are properly seated, this is where you're going to take your charger. With the cable, you will go and plug it right at the top of it. And from here, you simply found a wall outlet, and just like that, you'll be able to charge your battery. One thing to note about the charging device, you will notice a button on the side called Mode. If you click on it, this will change the charging speed from 500 milliamps to 1000 milliamps for faster charging. When your charger is plugged into the wall, you will be able to see the status of both batteries by the indicator on the left side. Now that you understand how to charge the batteries, I will now show you how to assemble your HPS2 handle. From here, you will take the bottom cap, turn it counterclockwise. And just like that, your bottom cap is going to be able to come out. This is when you are going to grab your battery. You want to make sure that the negative end faces upward of the handle. You insert the battery in. From there, you then take the cap, and this time you are going to turn it clockwise. And just like that, your battery is now inserted in your handle. Next up is how to install the safety strap. To install the safety strap, you are simply going to guide it throughout this hole through here. Afterwards, you will then open up the other end, and from here you will then pass the safety strap right on through. Once you have it all the way through, you just want to give it a nice, firm, gentle pull until it's snug. And just like that, your safety strap is now installed. All there is left to do now is to power on your HPS2 handle. To do so, there's a little power button right here. All you have to do is simply click it for less than 2 seconds. 1, 2. And just like that, your HPS2 handle is now on. Now, depending on the LED color and the flashing pattern of it, this may indicate different information, which is shown on this next screen right here. The next part of this video will show you how to install the magnet clip on the back of your phone case. Now, if you are using your phone case, please make sure that it is a rather solid phone case and not one made out of soft rubber. Now, whenever you are installing the plate, there's one thing that you want to keep in mind. You want to make sure that it is not completely at the center of the phone case. Otherwise, whenever you clip it onto the HPS2 handle, you might be blocking the camera. In this case, you are going to shift it a little bit downward. And afterwards, once you are ready, it is quite straightforward. You simply put it onto the phone case, and you're going to apply a little bit of pressure on it. Now, ideally, you would like to let this sit for a few hours before you do use it to allow the rubber adhesive to fully adhere to the phone case. Now, once it is completed, you can now put your cell phone back into the case. Once you have your phone into the case, it's quite straightforward. You bring the handle, and just like that, it's going to magnet directly onto it. Now that you understand how to assemble your whole HPS2 handle kit, let me show you how to put it back in the carry-on case. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you better understand how to assemble your HPS2 handle kit for SiteVision. Our next video will demonstrate you how to install SiteVision on your mobile device and afterwards demonstrate you how to pair your hardware to it. If you have any more questions, please feel free to consult our help page to obtain some more information in regards to the HPS2 handle.